These are the top 3 rarest airsoft rifles you've probably never heard of. Coming in at number 3 is the Shoei MP44. This is based off of the legendary STG-44, and these things are almost impossible to find, and if you can find one, it'll cost you a small fortune. Number 2 is the KWT Lee Enfield. Now this thing's gotta be one of the most useless airsoft guns if you actually want to win a game, because it's spring powered and only holds 13 BBs. Now that said, this is a super rare collector's piece, so you're probably not gonna see one on the field. Finally at number 1, we have the rarest airsoft gun ever made, the Asahi WA-2000. This was originally made in 1993, and there were only 250 of these ever made. Now that is super rare, but the craziest part is that this thing will run you about as much as a used car.